Uso family, check it out, it's your boy the Uso. Just getting off our plane. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Let's go Uso family. You're in. Welcome to Samunda. Check it out Uso family, we just pulled up to Samunda. Here to pick up our bags. Over here with my brother. We're over here waiting for our luggage just to come out. We're gonna see where all the toys are. We see a few kids in here. So I'm gonna see if I can get my Hot Wheels out and give some Hot Wheels to these kids before we get out of here. A lot of things been going wrong for this guy on this trip. Literally every stop we had, something was going wrong. So we're gonna try to get this carry on bag out before these kids leave and see if we can dish out some Hot Wheels real quick. Check it out, Uso family. So I bumped into this gentleman on the airplane. He was telling me that his son collects toy cars. Little did he know, I collect Hot Wheels. So you already know, I just mess up with some Hot Wheels. So this is what we do. Malo lava de Uso. Cuidaço. Okay, listen up. To see your kids. Yeah.
Thank you.
Business is built from the grind and
Nice, Usos. I was wondering what the fuck was like. I thought you guys making a shirt and shit. Welcome, let's go. Fucking idiot. We just made it to Samunda. All these fools hit me up in there like, hey, come get me. I need some Hot Wheels.
Oh yeah?
It's the same guys that met us last time.
Oh yeah.
from the bottom up. Yeah, we made it through. Still standing tall with nothing to prove. Every fall taught us how to move. Blessed by the struggle, strengthened by truth. From the bottom up, now we own our lane. Through the fire, through the pain, hands to the sky, still giving thanks. From the bottom up.
Check it out, Uso family. Give you guys a small kind tour of our house. We got a gym room upstairs, living room upstairs, and 6 bedrooms. This is the gym room we're in right now. This is the open space area up here where my mom designed it, so you can look down into the living room so you can see all the family when they come through.
Every day's a gift, so we give thanks to the one above for the path he planned. From the bottom up, we rise again.
Alright, Uso family, so this is the new addition. My mom wanted to add another room with a shower and toilet. And then she also added 2 more windows to this room. And then we added a sliding door that goes straight to the porch. So guys, please, if you like the vibes, if you like the channel, please hit the like, subscribe, and the notification bell. That way you don't miss a thing. Let's go.